Welcome back everyone to my video, and today we're playing Minecraft and our goal is to make a house. Let's start, but first you need to find a place for your own and I will leave it here.